Okay, guys. I'm not sure if I completed the other one from the first video or not, but I'm sure you get the idea. Let me do a few more, and this is one of your homework problem ones, this one right here. I'm skipping around a little bit, just making sure that you understand the process, though, and of course, there are several of these I want you to attempt on your own, okay? So remember, the homework was the entire column on this side, and then I think it was, let's see, 2 from this side, okay? So this entire side and this the 2 bottom ones on that side is the homework for tonight, both 7th and 8th graders. All right, so now I'm going to do a few more before I leave out because school is actually out now. The bell has already rung. Going back to this one, I'm going to do 9.4 times 6.1. Okay, so remember, the method I like to use is the anchor and balloon method. The 1 is my anchor. Let me change colors right here. Your bottom numbers are all anchors. You must anchor the top numbers to the bottom number. Okay? By doing that, I make stems for balloons. For example, you know how an anchor for a balloon looks like this, and then you have, a whole bouquet of balloons, etc. Like this, a nice bouquet of balloons, right? Or flowers in a flower pot, however you want to try to memorize it, okay? And then, all I have to do is draw my lines. Hopefully my computer doesn't shut down. For the multiplying practice. All right. Okay. Like in the computer here. Whew. Alright, so here we go. My first anchor, again, is going to be the 1. I believe that's 1. Okay. Make that more clear. 6.4. Excuse me. 9419.4. 9419.4 times 6.1. The first anchor is a 1. So, connect all the above numbers to the 1. I have 4 times 1 is my first multiplication problem. Then 9 times 1. 1 times 1. 4 times 1. And 9 times 1. There is your first anchor. Okay? And let me switch colors so you can see the second anchor. The second anchor is a 6. Don't worry about the decimals right now. You always place the decimals at the end. Okay? But remember, with each new line you create, you must add zeros. So, my first line will be 6 times 4. That's 24. Now, connect the 9 to the 6. 9 times 6 is 54 plus 2. 54, 55. Next line is 1 times 6, which is 6, plus 5, it's 11. Your next connection is 4 times 6, which is 24, plus 1, is 25. And the last one is 9 times 6, which is 54, 55, 56. And we add 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 7, and that's 5. Now to place the decimal, take a look at how many decimals, how many place values I have after this one. 1 place after the decimal. 1 place after the decimal. That's 2 places altogether. So I start here and count 2. 1, 2. So here is where my decimal will be. Okay, because I have more time on this video, what I'm going to do is a few more problems, but not ones that are on the homework. I'm going to start here, just to get more practice so you understand what to do for this. So I have 6.402. That can be written better. 6.402 equals 9 times 51 0.9. So again, your decimals do not have to line up. My first anchor is this 9. Okay, connect all the numbers above to the 9. So that's 2 times 9, 18. 0 times 9 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 4 times 9, which is 36. And then 6 times 9, 54, 55, 56, 57. So there's your first row. Remember, I like to erase anything that I carry over so I don't get it confused with the next anchor. So remember, your new line has to start with 0, and my next anchor is a 1. So connect all the numbers above to the 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 0 times 1 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 6 times 1, 6. There we go. And we will do around, I guess, for the next one. I'm starting a new line, so I add my 0. So this time I need to add 2 zeros. If I had another number after this, I would add 3 zeros. If I needed another number after that, I would add 4 zeros. You see how you just keep accumulating your zeros until you're done multiplying all the anchors. Okay. So now, my anchor is 5. Connect all the above numbers to the 5. 5 times 2, 10. And it starts getting a little confusing looking right here. So I hope you still follow me. 0 times 5 is 0. Plus 1. That should be up there. Is 1. So 5 times 2, 10. There it is. That 1 should be over here, actually. Okay. I think what I'll do is start that row over because it looks confusing now. Okay, here we go. Let's do it again. Alright, so I have my 5. You put your 2 zeros for place value. You're doing 5 times 2 is 10. Then do 0 times 5. 0 plus 1 is 1. Then you do 4 times 5, which is 20. And then you do 6 times 5, which is 30, plus 2, 32. Now we can add, there it is, as 8, 2 is 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 12 here. 3, 3. How many places for the decimal? I have 3 here and 1 here. 3 digits after the decimal here, 1 digit after the decimal here. Altogether that's 4. Start on this side and go over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is your final answer. Okay. And should I be generous and do one more? Oh gosh, that would just be way too easy. Nope. I will do this one. I have 84.144 times 0.378. Okay. My first anchor is an 8. So 4 times 8. I think I would know by now. Okay. 32. Another 4 times 8 is 32, 33, 34, 35. Connect the 1 to the 8. 1 times 8 is 8. 9, 10, 11. 4 times 8 again, 32. Plus 1 is 33. And then the 8 times 8, 64, 65, 66, 67. There's your first row with an anchor of 8, multiplying all these numbers with 8. Alright, let's go to the next row. Okay, the next anchor is 7. So, multiplying all the top numbers with 7 now. I have 4 times 7. It's 28. Another 4 times 7, so you know it's 28 plus 2, 28, 29, 30. 1 times 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 times 7, 28, 29. And then the last one, which is 8 times 7, 56, 7, 58. Okay, that was a 9. Let's add these together. I should have 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, I think, 15, 15, oops, that's a 9, excuse me, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6, that was a 16. Bad handwriting with a mouse. That's a 9, so this should be 16. So, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 5 plus 1, 6. How many decimal places over? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the decimal should be right there. Alright. Now, let me check to be sure I did it right. 84.144 times 0.378. Okay. So 84.144 times 0.378. I have a 31. At least I got the 2 right. And I went wrong here. And that's because I wasn't even finished. Oh. Can you believe in it? You just need to ignore this problem. Thank goodness that you're not paying attention to this one. I went and added everything, and I completely forgot I am not done with my anchors. No wonder the problem didn't come out right. Did you notice that? I still have more anchors here. I was not finished. Okay, so now that that's there, my next anchor was a 3. Notice I didn't finish it. So, I need to do zeros. 2 zeros for this row. Okay? And 4 times 3 is 12. I gotta erase these up here, else they're going to confuse me. There we go. Another 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 4 times 3, 12. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Okay, sorry about it looking so sloppy. And we have one more anchor. A 0. Now you know all these are going to end up a 0. But here, you have to put 3 zeros for place value. Now multiply everything with 0. You know everything's going to be 0. So you should have 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's add them together. That's 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 3, 4, 5. I think that should be 6 according to this. And then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I agree. 16, 17, 18, 10, 11, and 3. Ta-da! Okay. So, adding all those up, I actually think this should be a 6. 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 8, 0, 6, 4, 3, 2. There it is. Okay. Close enough for that. The important thing is making sure you got down that process here. And if you notice, there are 6 decimal places, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1,